side plank progression here with an oblique challenge. So you're holding here, lower that weight parallel to the floor, exhale to open it back up. Being thoughtful that as you lower that weight that the hips don't start to sink, keep them pressed forward so that you stay lifted throughout. Full progression here, you're gonna start inhaling at the bottom, exhale, float that full leg all the way off the floor. Inhale to slowly lower it back down. Exhale, float it up. Inhale to lower it back down. So now right knee towards your left elbow, crossing, holding there. As you inhale, exhale to reach it back out. Exhale, cross, reach it back out. Your dynamic lunge and then returning with a single leg march. You're gonna inhale here at the top, exhale to stick your landing. Exhale, stick your landing. Every time you return, really drive off that heel and then stand tall. Step up with your bicep curl. You're gonna step up, drive through your heel, come up, bicep curl at the top, lengthen down, return back down to standing.